What's up, guys? So, off to our first and only job of the day. Not because the phone isn't ringing, it's because I only scheduled one job for today. Because of the job's decent-sized job or a well-paying job. Okay, holidays and stuff. I don't want to overwork myself, but people kind of question me on the money I make just doing carpet cleaning. I mean, just doing carpet cleaning, not tile cleaning, not hardwood floor cleaning, not upholstery cleaning. Although upholstery, I kind of combine that into the carpet cleaning category. Lots of money off upholstery cleaning, guys. So anyway, I'm gonna do a little ride along with this job here and kind of show you how it breaks down to the numbers that it comes down to. So right now it's already booked up at, I think, $670 job. That's without the enzyme. Now the customer said they do have pet problems, so I did not even add the enzyme to the work order. I do that when I show up. So I already let her know on the phone that it may be $40 a room, depending on the severity of it. So like if just a little bit in each room, I usually will break that into one enzyme or one pet treatment. But if I'm gonna have to, it's all about the amount of solutions I use, really. So we're gonna check that out upon arrival and see what happens to that ticket, okay? Stay tuned.
What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaner, but I am trying to be an example of what could be.
Alright, so as you can tell, I got the job broken down. Okay, we're doing a sectional sofa cleaning. We're doing 3 large rugs and a rug runner. And we're going to be doing 3 rooms and a living room. And yeah, let's see. There's a living room. Yeah. So now that breaks down to $690. So we're going to go ahead and do a walkthrough and take the light right here and detect some yard and go from there. Alright guys, so after doing the walkthrough, every room needs enzymes or pet treatment. Excuse my voice, guys. I'm just getting over a cold. Feel fine, but in the morning, voice sounds a little messed up. So I'm trying to get through this. So yeah, as you can tell, don't even need the light really, but it's gonna help when I'm deodorizing. But just so the customer can see, she already knew. I mean, honestly, guys. So it's gonna be $200 on top of just the cleaning, which brings the total bill. And we're doing these rugs here too. I'm not gonna be doing enzymes on the rug, but yeah. So we're doing that. We're doing the area rug, doing a sectional here, and just throughout the house. I mean, so I did let the customer know that, you know, as far as visually, everything should look great, but still couldn't guarantee total stain removal. But it's going to look a million times better, and you know, they're not going to have to worry about that nasty nastiness in there. We're going to take care of all that. But look, yeah. So basically, guys, a lot of times you walk in here and you might not visually see all the stains like that, but as soon as you bring out the light, you're going to see all that. So it's really good to do, because if you clean it and don't do a proper treatment on it, after you leave, you might get a call from the customer saying that they smell urine now. They didn't smell it before. Right? Then you got to go back and clean it again. So these lights will really cover your butt, okay? So, and plus make you a lot of money on top of that. Yeah, I can't wait to see the results. So what we're going to do first, we're vacuuming now, then we're going to go ahead and go through here, and we're going to clean this sectional, okay? We're going to pull these rugs. Actually, we'll pull this out, we'll clean this rug, then we'll remove it. As a matter of fact, we're going to clean all these rugs first, then remove it, and then clean up carpets, and then we'll be out of here. All right, should take us about, I'm saying about 3 hours. What time is it now? Put the information on there. 10:35. As you can see, the total's $890 now. So let's see. So I boosted my pre-spray with Go-Oxy peroxide paste product. It's going to get rid of all the staining. From the pet urine, because this is saturated. Do not
Real quick, guys, if you're thinking on getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course below all my videos in a link. How to start a carpet cleaning business, not only the technical side, but how to get people to call you, the business side. All right, and if you like any of the tools I use, also below all the videos that I post. Back to the video.
All right, so I knocked out the couch, pre-sprayed, pre-scrubbed, now we're extracted.